Amethyst is a well-known mineral and gemstone. It is the purple variety of the mineral quartz, and its most valuable and prized variety. Its name derives from the Greek amethystos, which means not drunken, as amethyst in antiquity was thought to ward off drunkenness. The color of some amethyst specimens from certain localities slowly fade upon prolonged exposure to light. When used as a gemstone, amethyst is often heat-treated to deepen the color, or to transform it into citrine. Some varieties may also change to a light green color, which is given the trade name braziolite, or green amethyst, as it is more commonly known in the gem trade. Malachite is a copper carbonate hydroxide mineral. This opaque, green-banded mineral crystallizes in the monoclinic crystal system, and most often forms botryoidal, fibrous, or stalagmitic masses, in fractures and spaces, deep underground, where the water table and hydrothermal fluids provide the means for chemical precipitation. Individual crystals are rare but do occur as slender to acicular prisms. Pseudomorphs after more tabular or blocky azurite crystals also occur. Fire opal is a hydrated amorphous form of silica. Its water content may range from 3 to 21% by weight, but is usually between 6 and 10%. Because of its amorphous character, it is classed as a mineraloid, unlike crystalline forms of silica, which are classed as minerals. It is deposited at a relatively low temperature and may occur in the fissures of almost any kind of rock, being most commonly found with limonite, sandstone, rhyolite, marl, and basalt. Opal is the national gemstone of Australia. The internal structure of precious opal makes it diffract light. Depending on the conditions in which it formed, it can take on many colors. Precious opal ranges from clear through white, gray, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, magenta, rose, pink, slate, olive, brown, and black. Of these hues, the black opals are the most rare, whereas white and greens are the most common. It varies in optical density from opaque to semi-transparent. Fluorite is considered to be one of most popular minerals in the world among gem and mineral collectors, second only to quartz. It is often referred to as the most colorful mineral in the world owing to its variety of brilliant colors. Fluorite was first described in 1530 and was originally referred to as fluorspar. The mineral was strongly noted for its effectiveness as a flux for aluminum and steel processing. Today, the term fluorspar is primarily used for the industrial and chemical form of fluorite, while fluorite is the term used in reference to the gem and mineral. Palasite class meteorite. The green-yellow transparent minerals in this sample are the mineral olivine, which makes up most of the upper mantle of the Earth, while the metal parts are an iron-nickel alloy. Minerals in the alloy are kamacite. To get a mixture of the iron-nickel alloy and olivine, this meteorite came from a small protoplanet from the dawn of our solar system that melted from the original chondrite separated into an iron alloy and silicate phases, core and mantle. Towards the end of the protoplanet's life, it experienced a very violent collision with another body and forced the contact between the core and the mantle to become perturbed via shock waves from the impact, hence the mixing. Impacts like this lead to bigger and bigger bodies and eventually the terrestrial planets. So this is kind of an baby picture of the Earth. Azurite is a soft, deep blue copper mineral produced by weathering of copper ore deposits. It is also known as chessylite after the type locality at Chessy-les Mines near Lyon, France. The mineral, a carbonate, has been known since ancient times, and was mentioned in Pliny the Elder's natural history under the Greek name Kuonos and the Latin name Cerulum. The blue of azurite is exceptionally deep and clear, and for that reason the mineral has tended to be associated since antiquity with the deep blue color of low humidity desert and winter skies. The modern English name of the mineral reflects this association, since both azurite and azure are derived via Arabic from the Persian lasword, an area known for its deposits of another deep blue stone, lapis lazuli, also known as stone of azure. Strungite is a relatively rare iron phosphate mineral. The mineral is named after the German mineralogist Johann August Stranglavender, pink or purple in hue. It is similar to variscite and is partially soluble, particularly in conditions where there is a low pH and low oxidation reduction potential.